Okay, I want to go ahead and talk to you about a tool that you can use to aggregate your RSS feeds and save yourself a lot of work in submitting those to the RSS directories. Yahoo Pipes is a free tool that can be used basically to make one giant RSS feed out of all of your other RSS feeds. So let's go ahead and take a look at it here. You can either Google Yahoo Pipes or you can just type into your browser pipes.yahoo.com. And when you go there, this is the page you're going to see. Now you need to make sure that you go ahead and sign up for a Yahoo account if you don't already have one and get logged in. We're going to go in the middle here to where it says create a pipe, and we're going to create our first pipe. All right, I'm only going to show you right now how to set up these RSS aggregators. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to the left and grab this module that says fetch feed and bring it into the middle and drop it. That'll create a module. Now, one thing to note is you can put as many URLs in here for as many feeds as you want. You just click the little plus button by URL, and that'll expand that box down. If you have 10 feeds, this will basically take those 10 feeds and turn it into one giant feed. Another thing is, if you have a number of categories of different sites you have, some RSS directories are going to require you to put it into a certain category. And so what you'll want to do is create a different pipe for each category of websites you have. Let's say you've got 5 sites that are dealing with financial things. Create a pipe for that. Let's say you've got 10 sites that are dealing with Forex that have feeds. Then create another pipe for that. But I'm just going to show you here real quick how to add a URL and create the feed. I'm going to go grab a URL for one of my feeds. And I'm going to paste it in. And what we want to do is grab this little blue blob and drag it down to pipe output and connect the two. All right. This tool will validate whether your feed's working right or not. If you see a question mark or a caution sign over here to the left of your URL, you know something's wrong, so you better check your URL there. But now we're going to go ahead and click Save, and we're going to name the pipe. I'm going to call this RSS directory feed. Click Save. And then we're going to go up top, and we're going to run pipe. Okay, now it's gone ahead and run the pipe, shows the output of it. It would show all the feed information for all the feeds that you entered if you put in more than one. And this pipe web address here, this is going to be what you're going to put into the feed directories. So you want to copy that. And then when you go to your feed directories, you just have to enter that one feed URL rather than entering possibly dozens into each one. I want to make mention that I've also included a PDF that has over 100 RSS directories in it. It may be a little out of date, and not all of those sites may be live, but go ahead and pick through there, find the best ones that are easy to register at. And up front, this is going to be a little bit of work, but go ahead and find about 25 of these directories, get registered for them, and then you just have to submit the one feed that is the output of the pipe at each one of these directories.